We're beginning the second parak of Taanis, Mishnah Aleph. Seder Tanios Ketzad. The order of the fasts, how is it? This Mishnah is dealing with the last 7 fasts, and it's going to describe what they do during these fasts. Motziin es hateva. They take out the Aron Kodesh, l'rechova shel ir, to the town square. The reason they do that is because it's as if they're saying, we daven in shul, and that didn't work, so now we're going to embarrass ourselves and go out into the street. V'nosnin efer makla, and they put ashes al gabe ateva, on top of the Aron Kodesh. The reason they take ashes is to remind Hashem about the schus of Akedas Yitzchak. And the reason they put it on the Aron is to symbolize that when we're in pain, Hashem's also in pain. Also, uverosh hanasi, they also put ashes on the head of the nasi, that's the leader of the Jews. Uverosh Av Beis Din, and on the head of the Av Beis Din, he's like the second in command. The reason other people put ashes on their heads instead of them putting on their own heads is because it's more humiliating when someone puts it on your own head. When someone puts it on your head. V'chol echad ve'echad nosin barosha. Then everybody puts a little ashes on his own head. Hazakein shebehem, the elder amongst them, which means ideally someone who's older and also a Talmid Chacham. If the older person is not a Talmid Chacham, then they just get a Talmid Chacham. Omer lifneim, he says in front of them, divrei kivushin, words that conquer their hearts. He says to them things that will hopefully motivate them to do tshuva. And this is what he says. Achenu, our brothers, lo ne'emar ba'anshe Ninveh. It doesn't say by the men of Ninveh. You're all familiar with the story of Yonah. Yonah went to Ninveh, and he told the people there that if they don't do tshuva, the city's going to be overturned. Now, the Torah, or the Pasuk, does not say by Ninveh the following. This is the made-up Pasuk. It doesn't say this. It doesn't say, Vayar Elokim, that Hashem saw es sakam, their sackcloth, v'es tanisam, and their fasts. It doesn't say that. If it said that, it would imply that Hashem is focusing on the exterior, just what they're wearing, what they're not eating. Ella, rather, this is what it really says. Vayar Elokim, Hashem saw, es ma'aseihem, their actions, ki shavu midarkam hara, that they returned from their evil ways. They actually changed their evil ways. So what he's trying to tell them is, the key is not the fasting, the key is to do tshuva, to change your behavior. Uva Kabbalah hu omer, and in Navi it says, V'kiru levavchem, rip your hearts, v'al bigdechem, not your clothing. Some people think that ripping their clothing, which is a sign of mourning, is going to do something. That's not the key. The key is to change your heart, to change your inside. So, Yom Kippur is approaching. The key, of course, we have to fast if we're over bar mitzvah, and there's other things we don't do. But the main thing really is to think about how we can improve as people, improve our midos, improve our mitzvah observance, change our insides.